Welcome, friends. No recipe today. I just wanted to admit that, hi, my name is Glenn, and I have a problem with cookies. And one of the ways that I combat my problem with cookies is to not bake all of the cookies when I make a batch. If the cookies are baked in a cookie tin, in the kitchen at home, it's just so easy to get up from my desk and go and eat them. Julie comes home from work, I'm laying on the kitchen floor, I've got crumbs all over, I don't remember what happened, and all of the cookies are gone. So when we bake cookies, I will portion them out onto a sheet tray like this, and you can put them really close together, and then I stick it in the freezer and I freeze them individually portioned like this. And once they're frozen, I pull them out of the freezer and I put them into a sealable container that I can put back in the freezer. And this way, you know, after supper, Jules and I can look at each other and say, hey, let's bake a couple of cookies for a snack. And then we only bake what we need right then for that snack. So there's not cookies left. And just the act of having them frozen keeps me from eating them all. I mean, it's a very simple thing, but it works. And when you go to bake them, if you're only going to bake 4, 6 at a time, which is usually what we do, I'll put them on a smaller baking tray like this one. And while the oven is on with supper, like I'm baking right now a meatloaf, I just stick it in the oven with them. And so it only takes about 1.5 minutes longer to cook these from frozen as it does to cook the cookies when the batter is freshly made. So this will go back in the freezer. And there we have it. Fresh cookies for snack after dinner tonight. Now, I hear you, if you don't want to heat your oven up because you're not cooking anything else in it, you don't want to heat your whole oven, you think that's a waste of electricity, you could cook 6 cookies in your toaster oven on the countertop. Same amount of time, just watch them very closely because the heat can fluctuate wildly in those ovens. So this is just a little tip. Use it, don't use it. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.